Sir, please explain this on AutoCAD.
Okay. For you, time is okay. But for me, no problem. I have no class after that.
Sir, we can also do, sir. We also have class like after some time.
Okay. Then I'll explain the third one as well as fourth one also. Okay. So I'll come first finish third one. Okay. So here they given one semicircle diameter of 30 mm. Okay. So for that, how to start means first you draw the circle 30 mm. Okay. First explain orally, then I'll move to AutoCAD. Okay. So you draw the circle of 30 mm diameter, then delete into half. Okay. Delete the half circle. You are using trim command. You can use it. The next thing is draw the line height of 15 mm. Okay. Then up to draw this profile from here to here. So much will be there. How much from this length? Anyone? How much is length? I'm moving the cursor. How much is length?
15.
Because of correct 15. Because of this diameter is 30. So this radius will be 15. This 15 means this totally 30. So here also will be that 15. Okay. So first you know the dimensions clearly. You understand the diagram very clearly. Then you can start it. Okay. So I'll draw that one also. See. So you can select the front view. Okay. I'm going to select the front view. Main thing, important thing is view selection is important. Okay, front view. So I go draw circle, diameter. Okay, but diameter radius value which is okay. Okay, center using the radius. Radius means the diameter selects. Diameter is 50. Okay. Then you draw one line because I want only the half circle. Okay, so draw the line from the midpoint. Okay, so this may be the midpoint. Okay. Then using trim command, tr trim command, delete this circle. So I don't want the circle. Then automatically delete this line. Okay, it is delete option. Okay. Okay, then delete this line. Okay. The next you draw on height. How much height that is? 15 mm. Okay, from the midpoint side is 15 mm. Okay, so leave it this one. I will come back. Okay, this we use offset. I will come back later. You draw only 15 mm height. Okay. I'm drawing this profile. Imagine I'm drawing the inner profile, not drawing outer profile. Okay. But this one means you take it as a 14 mm, but I'm drawing only inner profile because they give only inner profile diameter only they given. Okay. Not outer profile. Okay, outer profile different, that is thickness. Okay. So I'm drawing only inner profile. So 30 I did already. I'm going to draw the line 15 mm for the inner profile. Okay. So you take it line of 15 from here also 15. Okay. So here to here is 15. Then this end is 15. Okay. Similarly for here also 15. Here is 15. Okay. Okay. After that, you do fillet here. Okay. You do the fillet. Okay. So first I'll finish it and I'll do the fillet. Okay. Next they given 1 mm distance. Okay. There is a question here. Yeah. Again 1 mm. Okay. Further you can use in the command is already offset.
Okay.
Yeah. Already discussed for first week offset. Okay. So I'm going to select in a single object. So I can using the join, select object, center. Okay, now will be the single object. Okay, so command name is offset. Distance they asking. Okay, distance I go and use 1 mm because of 1 mm only offset na. The question gap is 1 mm. Okay, so we are giving only 1 mm. Okay, so 1, press enter, select object. So this is your object. Press moving cursor up, moving the cursor. You don't need to press moving the cursor up. Just press enter. Sorry, click it. Okay, I forgot it. 1 mm. Select object. Okay, move the cursor up. Just click it. Okay. Now press escape. So getting like this shape. Okay. Next one thing important thing, we have some curved portion here. Okay, we have some curved portion. Okay, for that command is fillet. Okay, just remember the command fillet. Okay, so using the fillet. Fillet radius. Okay, because that is curved portion, you can using the radius. So radius I'm going to give 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 mm. Then select objects. See, I'm just zooming in. So now this will be a straight to perpendicular, but now I'm going to using the fillet. Select object. Now this will be curved one. Radius of 0.5. So I want to fillet here also means same. You can use the fillet command. I already have pressed the tab button, so automatically creates complete selector. Select here as well as select this one. Okay. Then for this edge also I do the fillet. Same. This one and this one. Already is 0.5 is inbuilt. Okay, you can select 0.5 only. Okay. Then this one and this one. Okay. Then press escape. Then join into a single line. So join is a single line. Again, you have to do join. Okay, you can do join command or else REGI1. Okay, region. Okay, region. Select object. Press enter. Okay, now it will be a single object. Okay. Isometric view. You want to extrude means you can extrude. Select object. Enter distance. Okay, like a tunnel. Okay, like this will be good. So whatever your distance you can take it, 50 or 30. Okay. Okay. So this is the answer for how to third question. Okay. So you have to take one snapshot for this one as well as converting into 2D view. You can take it with the dimension. You can take one more snapshot. Okay, that is for third questions. I hope you understood now. Third question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last fourth question. Okay. So here I'm taking this as a front view. See my arrowhead. Okay. See my arrow. This is my front view. Okay. So dimensions first we have to understand dimensions. This may be 50. Okay, that will be extrude length. How much this is 80. 80. Height is how much?
40.
Yeah, 40. Very good. Okay, because this is 20 mm. Here is 20 mm. Totally 40 will be there. Okay. So I'm going to take it from front view. So the fourth question. Okay, you can finish it less than 5 minutes. Okay, that's why I'm telling that 7th week kindly complete on the day itself. Okay. Anyway, I will post the question paper today. Those who are having free time, kindly complete it and upload it today or tomorrow itself. But those who have free time is kindly use that lab time. Okay, so lab time that is day order 1, 2 to 3:30. Okay, we'll be taking less than 1 hour maximum. Okay, so front view and drawing the profile. So starting from here. Okay, so how much here is 40. Then profile. This is 20. Okay, 20. Yeah, Surabhi?
Yes, sir.
I'll finish in 5 minutes. Okay, after that we'll go. Then this is 20. Then this how much? 60. Okay. This may be the 60. Then again 20. Then this is will be the 20. Okay. Now I did this profile. So this is nothing but this profile I did. Okay. Imagine this profile. Okay. Then extrude up to 50 mm length. Okay. Extrude up to 50 mm. See, because of they given 50 mm. Okay. So before that I go and change in a single. Okay. So using join command in a single. Okay. Now will be single. So you can change a view also for you understand. Okay. I'm going to extrude. Select object, enter 50 mm. Okay, like this will be there. Okay, so okay, next we want to see the diagram. Okay, like this will be there. Okay, you don't want to grid me, you can unmute the grid. Okay, switch off the grid so that grid is not there. Okay, so like this is that. Okay, but in addition, they removed one portion here. Okay, so further you can use in separate command. Okay, so the dimension they given 20 cross 25. 20 cross 25. So draw the line from here to here 20 mm gap. Okay, so I'm going to using one same here. I'm going to draw the line. Here to here is 20. Then here is from here inside is how much? 25. Then here is 20. So you may getting doubt, okay. Better I can draw separately. Okay, I can draw one separately in top view or front view. Okay, for your wish. Okay, top view means for that give dimension clearly. Front view can give. Okay, I'm going to top view. I can draw somewhere. Okay, in the top view, 25 cross 20. Okay, 20 means 20 cross 20. Then extrude up to 25 mm in front view. Top view means 20 cross 25, extrude up to 20 mm. Okay. I'm going to draw one line. Better I can draw line. So here I draw some. Here's how much?
20.
25. 25. 20. Correct. Okay. This will be the 20. Then this will be the 25.
25.
This will be the 20. Then this will be 25. Okay. Then join the single object. Enter. Somewhere no problem. Then you can extrude. Okay. You can move the same thing to here and then extrude, or else you can extrude and go to that your wish. Okay.
Okay.
I'll extrude here. How much? 20. Okay. Correct. Next, I'm going to move. Okay. Before that, I want to ensure that here some distance now. Okay, correctly from 20 mm here. Okay, for that my reference I'm drawing one line. Okay, from here to here is 20. Then here to here is 25. Okay, I draw one line but not visible. So I'm going to just rotate. Okay, that's what like this will be there. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to moving this object with any and this corner point to here. See?
How to rotate? What is the command to rotate?
Yeah. Wait. Press shift button. Okay, then press scroll button. Then you can move the cursor. Will be rotating. Or else here having some 3D orbit. Will be there. This will be also there. You can using this option also. But now I am using this. I'm using shift plus scroll button. Otherwise you can using the orbit. Okay, orbit you can rotate like this. Okay. This is I'm using orbit now. You can use that also. Okay. Next, you know already. See now in the solid will be like this. For removing this one, you can using the subtract. Yeah, that's it. Okay, from this object, press enter. Okay, press enter. Then next select this subject. But the remaining thing, but selecting this object will be difficult. But I can go to line option. Okay, wireframe. Okay, subtract. Select this one. Press enter. Then select this one. Press enter. See, that's it. Okay, very easy only. Okay, so just remember the concept. Okay, how to start front view, top view, side view. Then you have to understand the dimensions clearly. Okay, then only you may completing this exercise correctly. Okay, I ask only the first 4 questions mandatory for evaluation. In addition, they giving extra problem for practice. Okay, exam point of view. You can practice. Okay, so those are completed the first 4 questions. You can practice. Okay, for this you can using same. You can start from this one, extrude, circle, extrude, remove like this. Okay, for this one, how to start? Any idea? Okay, you try. Okay, try. Maybe you can start from here, this view. Okay, this view, or else you can start on this view. Also, front view, you can take it from this one or this one. Okay, your wish. Extrude, then remove material like this. That is a subtract. Okay, step also you can start from any one view. Okay, this only for practice. You can practice it because maybe the last exam also, units exam also. For mark point of view, okay, for this valuation, first 4 questions mandatory. For those who are drawing in manually, already 3 questions. Okay, that is 1, 4, and 6. Okay, so the front view, top view, side view, you are drawing separately. Okay, like this. But in doing those are drawing AutoCAD, so you are drawing model space. Take one screenshot in layout with the dimensional screenshot. That's it. Okay, any doubt, pa?
So do we have to label the points?
Label not me, no need to label because we'll be taking too much time. Okay, so no need label. Okay.
Sir, in AutoCAD, we have to take screenshot in conceptual or in 2D frame.
Your wish. Okay. Better you can take it in the 3D modeling. You can take it as a like a shaded one or a conceptual sketch, not 2D. Okay. Anyway, you're going to layout 2D only now, so don't need to take it 2D image. That wireframe in model space. Either you can take it 3D image, okay, conceptual or solids or realistic, anything you take it in model space. But layout you can take it 2D. Anyway, layout 2D only be there, not 3D. Okay, maybe it will be there, but you can take only 2D. That is enough. With the dimension, okay, in layout with the dimension, in model space no dimensions. Okay, directly that 3D shape. That is enough.
So in layout, we don't have to label, no?
No label for both layout as well as the model space. Okay, just to take the as per the dimensions, you can write that's it. Because that's what I told this is easy, you can complete it on the day itself. Okay, so that's why don't extend the time. Okay. Anyway, I'll post this question paper as the assignment today. Okay, those are free time, you can practice the first 4 questions, upload it in today or tomorrow. No problem. Anyway, I have time up to 30th midnight. Okay, so you can utilize the lab time also. Okay.
Sir, in layout page, any one view is enough or we should draw all 3 views?
Three. Anyway, layout just moving the cursor only in front view, top view, and the side view, and isometric. That is also fine. 4 views.
Okay, thank you.
But dimensions important. No need to worry about labeling, like notations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So okay, I hope people clear. Yes.
We won't have to label it.
No need to label. I want only dimensions. That is enough.
Okay.
No need to give A dash, B dash, A, B, and all. Okay. So that will be only for solids. That is okay. Okay. For this one, combination solid, don't need to give that label. Sorry, notations. Okay. A dash, B dash. Okay. Only I want dimensions. It's okay. So, okay. You have clear your doubts. Okay. We have doubt, just text me. Or else we discuss in the lab class also. Okay. Again, repeating, first 4 questions is mandatory. Okay, for the evaluation, 10 marks. Remaining question you can practice it. Okay, because of like this question also maybe the last one you are because of this is only for practice. Okay, but this questions are maximum they last for your model exam or else unit exam also. Okay, so for that will be getting doubt. So the other just practice it. Okay. So okay, I will take attendance. Okay, ba. Answer attend second.
Present.
Okay, next. Faizan. Faizal.
Present, sir.
Okay, pa. Next. Loan. Already is absent. I think last class also. Adnan. Okay, 54. Next. Kindly see your image, but kindly see your screen. Because I don't want call number because I don't I want to check whether you are seeing the screen or not. Okay. Okay. Next. Abhinav.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Kishore. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, but next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next. Shubham, medical leave. Don't know. Okay, Aditya. 66. Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay, next.
Present, sir.
Okay,
61
next.
present, sir.
Present, sir.
61. Wait. Now 70, yeah. 16, okay. Okay.